Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove your phone number on your Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google name. Then proceed to your Google account. Then scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on search Google account. And you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for phone right here. Click on phone. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then for you to remove your phone number, simply click on this trash bin right here and then follow the prompt and your number will be deleted from your Google account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.